every week my husband say my food tastes nice, so I don't know how what could have happened.
Though she get used to it. So they can't start them more. Pressure on the one.
You better you cook.
I prefer you one give me love girl.
Give me enough food.
Guys, may I try to set up the camera quick for problem. Why? Make a prank level. Them say food tastes bad. Jason, so like Jason.
And most that happen.
Yo, let me share. No food. No food. Oh, Jessica gone?
I'm going to look at the video.
Oh. Okay, babe.
How what happened?
No.
Oh, you can pass my juice. Adi, you can shop please.
Oh.
Put Adi and have something over. You say cash now get your
Here you go.
Thanks. You know, say, should I put mine over there?
Why do you
Oh,
visit the food?
no,
Oh, wait,
okay,
okay.
we can do an individual prayer.
Okay. Yes, baby. So I wait till the day I wait for me.
Yes, it's on there. I will cook your rice.
I'm say I'm going to cook everything again. So I
So much of washing in that window.
First alone. Go show. I want the theatre. It is good again, though.
What's pepper?
No, I need pepper.
What happened? Something missing. Like a season missing.
No, I just... You understand.
How what happened?
Pepper second bag. You like it, Ariana?
Then I love everything. There's nothing, no food Adiana don't love. Right, Nana?
Well, you can say juice
No. Never get that hand.
nice. Juice nice, but... I don't know something about the food.
Like,
Like what?
You know, food just not taste good. Sorry, but that's a bit honest. No, but be a bit honest.
Yeah, I'm not say I be honest, but me I say what in there not taste good.
that's it.
No, like something just now come together.
Yeah, please.
Sorry, maybe get so much.
You can put it back, you know?
That's the
You can put it back, and I love Sunday, Monday.
Yeah, force it.
I wait till you're hungry. You're hungry food nice, no?
Inja,
If
it's
it
food,
tastes so no, if it tastes so no, I'll want to hot up.
When you're hungry food nice.
food don't taste good to you. I just say, oh, every week my husband say my food tastes nice, so I don't know how what could have happened.
Though she get used to it. Babe,
Yes, you can't try this food you have to tell me if it tastes good, because we don't know what Angela tells them. Though she get used to it.
Look, like limbs off of your rug or something.
Yeah, Angela,
You gone?
put back some of my
You
food.
gone?
Yeah.
So
Alright,
vegetable
No,
taste.
no. Oh yeah, better now.
The vegetable taste.
The coleslaw can go on.
Amen. Well, let's do eat food now.
Yeah,
Babe, taste the food. Me know, man. Me know there's
What
something
Jessica
wrong with
do?
me.
No, but. And even one probably a complain about
And what happened?
how you say do eat food.
Baby, just taste.
No man, one bone oh bone
What
in the
a
rice.
fish!
Yeah, but bone in the rice.
Oh,
Bone
what
and
the rice?
Got you know see that?
I must kill that man.
No, you joke me.
Most time or something.
Babe, taste the rice.
No, me taste is
What
taste.
one, babe?
Anybody a burn though, can you taste it?
No, anybody that burn, in fact, but I'm not burn, nothing no
So we have to
burn.
feel now. We have to be honest.
Yes,
with
me
one
not feel no way, but me I say, even if it is a way, me I
Me
say,
give about 6 out of 10, but you can't go on.
That's a tree.
3.
Come on, look, babe. 6, about 6, man. This 3 will be my levels already. If me beat level, that means that.
Angel,
Love
you
it,
know
what
what you can't cook, but you don't have to go and
Love
cook
it,
the
when
food
you,
first.
when you boil the coconut water, the coconut with the tea, what you do after?
Me boil out it. You make it boil out, you know, just put it in the rice same time. You make it boil out.
You make it boil out.
You make the coconut boil out because sometimes it can clog up.
No, but that's why if you make it boil out.
Yes, Angel, don't eat the food.
Wait, I pack bottom again.
No, I put a bit.
You know me, they go say, babe, say I want to pack bottom and give away.
Angel, and me last year, and me food would I say I'm my food I put at the bottom because I'm my food last. Me take out food first.
Okay. Yeah, 6 big year, 1 6 same here. 6 not so rough. I know your best rice and peas.
Just only nobody eat the food.
No, me can't eat.
Rice grain lodge in my
Listen up, me have to eat it because remember say a food I can't eat dinner today. So me not gonna go to so me eat and belch
You
and
don't
eat
have to buy
thanks.
it. You only can eat some and left because me love Sunday, Monday. You don't have to eat it.
Well, I'm good with the food that I got.
No shit, alright. No shit, if me no say you love when food tastes good. This food tastes now, yeah? Right, so
I wonder.
You put 2 pieces in your mouth.
and just so if your food tastes bad, why you continue to eat the food?
Yeah,
I'm
this.
not sure. I don't know.
So why you continue to eat the food? Because you say yes, me sure you still continue to eat the
Unless I
food.
say I know your best.
Probably a cooking now.
Oh God, cooking oil in a rice?
I mean, on a rice alone. I'm going to taste the fish. I'm not taste the fish yet still, so I'm not going to say nothing. Me use the fish to confirm everything good.
I feel fish, so you must know.
I know me cook it.
Right, you know.
I don't know me make you fish.
So why bag this again?
How about?
If it's salty, it can't salt no more.
You lie upon that. You know why you like combining when you salt? If the food is fresh, you could have said yes, mother, and
No,
you say
no,
food
no.
fresh. Me no use
Love
salt.
the food salt. Something do now. They taste the fish.
Oh, cook with salt.
Tell him again, Lucy.
It's fish salt.
No, but, if me didn't know better, would I say I like it, but what's true?
I want to taste the beef.
Wait, fresh water fish, I fish them wait.
Me.
I don't
Yeah,
understand
eat the
more
fish,
food,
eat
so you have to tell me.
Babe, wait there. Wait. Let me confirm it one last time before I say anything. So they can't start no more.
Let me tell
Fresh
you
one no
the
one
cook.
give
Let me
me.
tell you the cook. No,
I
no.
prefer you one give me love there.
Give me enough food.
No. You're mad, girl. You're mad.
So,
Me need to get back on this, man.
There's a quick there's a ball out there prango.
If I'm vegetable alone.
And what the funniest thing? The food tastes really good. You couldn't wait for them to do the prank. For tell you. The food tastes really nice.
I don't love salt, so you tell me about salt.
Tastes really good. It's saucy, fish tastes nice.
Yo, me? If I have a vegetable, I have to eat.
If you
But that's what
have
Jason. Never tell Jason quick that me I do one prank if you just work with the flow. Because me alone say it tastes bad, you're not going to believe me.
Hey, bones up, me fish though.
Bone with you?
Mm-hmm.
A fish I eat.
No, it's out of rice come from.
Oh,
No, if you enjoy that,
Gravy?
no, if you eat too much food first or whatever.
No.
probably.
Probably a gravy. Food tastes really nice. No, love it. Thank you. Love it. I feel your fish. Are you cooking? Hey, alright, Adiana. Food yummy, though.
That's why I'm telling you about that thing up here, you know, some nice food. One thing.
Tastes really nice. And me alone eat and drink. Can see someone don't grow properly. Oh, you eat and drink?
Okay. Or more done.
You know, we say enough you have to drink your juice last. Wonder why they say that.
No, so.
You think food tastes good?
I mean,
Tastes really nice and we can taste the coconut in our rice and peas.
I want stomach every food, no.
You better taste the coconut.
I grew up so about nobody else can go to drink out.
And that they always tell
No,
me.
I don't look at it and I see him stomach. Food and juice go to the same place.
Same place, one time.
Wonder why logic behind that. Why people say
Probably
that.
digestion.
So bad, man.
So Lucy didn't eat it.
No. I just alone me hint and tell her. Wait, then me get one joke now. Lucy not even pay me no man. Like Lucy said, well if you not like you know put it back where you get it. But the food is really good. Guys, one thing we love it and Lucy, them are gonna share enough food. Them are gonna ensure that your belly full. But you see a covered dish me carry back today. You remember why me did carry it away?
Because food is in there.
Because the food is enough. And me have to end up carry home some of my food and then give me.
So today I'm going to carry
So-
cover dish again.
It look like me have to go carry back the cover dish. Me have to go left one cover dish here. But me know me not go.
Cover dish right here.
Me see saying comfy in cover dish. So me know say me not go eat off this. Me I carry home some for eat later. But the food really good. So it's fish, rice and peas, coleslaw, and pear.
Yo, food tastes damn good.
Tastes really good for you.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I can't say my teacher that when I lick it. Oh, little part of my face.
Are you teacher? I am teacher for cook. Babe, are you teacher for cook?
I'm sorry, first thing she ever bun up on me game to bun up.
Oh.
The first thing me ever bought up was fritters and it bun me eye, make me blind.
Oh, that's a different thing. I ain't get that one there.
The first thing me ever spoil, I did rice. And it is soft and plucker.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the first thing. I remember my sister laugh after me. And look at me now.
Palm pie jai, first thing is square.
Mm.
I want to say big mix out first. So
Oh,
we just put the
illustrate
palm
it
in. Wow.
here.
Oh, babe, why first thing is spoil? When they did a cook, why first thing is spoil?
No, man. But, you know, say, the first set of things, remember, we did try it. Spoil.
Oh.
Probably rice.
Right, the rice I did mine. You know the funniest thing? Me hope me wrong. No, me hope me not wrong. Me don't know. Me don't know what me hope to happen. But me go cuss Jason if me ever find out. I don't know why I think, and Lucy thinks so too. Me feel like said Jason a trick me, say him cannot cook. You know why me say that? Enough time, message. No. What me gonna do is, me not gonna talk. Me not gonna try to convince him. Me gonna set up one hidden camera and watch Jason. And mind you, every time Jason cooks something for me, it tastes really good. And me never get a chance to share the experience with you. Me always just excited. Jason do something the other day and it tastes way better than when me do it. Anyways, I hope he might trick me and him, you know. But if he might trick me and I make me do this majority of the times for so long, me and him. But me that's still happy about. Me still a help him though. You know, now bash him. And everybody bond for everything. I'm gonna take a look at time and get into it. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday dinner. I love you guys so much. Bye.